Hi, Professor Charlie Evans here. Your assignment this unit in History 242 is the 1905 paragraph assignment. The key word there is paragraph. It's not a multi-page paper assignment. All you're doing is writing a paragraph, maybe 3/4 of a page. Your assignment question is relatively straightforward. You're to look at the Imperial Manifesto of October 1905 and then the fundamental laws issued in April 1906 in Russia, and then compare the two and decide whether those two political documents established a constitutional regime in Russia at that time. The October Manifesto is a very short document. Here's what it looks like in Russia. In Russian, this is from the St. Petersburg newspaper, and it's kind of interesting because when you read it, uh, and you can just see this looking at the newspaper image. Uh, we Nicholas II. That's the most capitalized part of the manifesto. That's the most important part of the manifesto, is that it is being decreed by the Tsar to the people that we're going to establish some sort of civil rights in Russia. And then the fundamental laws which ensued the following spring established the important specifics of that civil rights regime and constitutional regime, if you decide it's a constitutional regime that existed in Russia. So you're to look at these two really important political documents with your understanding of Russian history and your understanding of what was going on in 1905. Make a conclusion about the kind of political regime, whether it was constitutional, whether it was not constitutional, whether it was democratic or not democratic, that came to exist in Russia by mid 1906. Remember, it's a paragraph, it's not a paper. Remember to cite your sources, use quoted evidence to support your points, and enjoy your work on this assignment. Good luck.